5 tips on how to use food as medicine. The objective is to have those propensities instilled into your everyday schedule. We need your establishment of insusceptibility to be worked before risk and sickness strikes. Anyway, when the establishment is fabricated, how would we take sustenance to a higher level? The following are 5 tips for utilizing food as medicine. 1. Pick color. It's an obvious fact, eating colors from a rainbow every day can significantly work on human well-being by switching harm at the cell level. Mean to burn through 3 unique tones at every supper. Model morning smoothie that contains spinach, strawberries, and blueberries. Reward, dull mixed greens are staggering with regards to detoxification. 2. Genuine food for real people. Regardless of how partitioned this nation is in regards to food convictions, keto, paleo, vegetarian, there is one thing all specialists concur on: eating genuine food. Our body was intended to process and utilize food that doesn't contain a standardized tag. The more synthetic compounds and added substances we ingest, the more stalled our resistant framework becomes. 3. Eat your antifungals and antibacterial. Did you realize that specific foods have incredible antifungal and antimicrobial properties? Absolutely obvious. Nature's best medicine comes masked as oregano, garlic, onion, manuka nectar, turmeric, and ginger. Attempt to fuse somewhere around one of these foods day by day. Soups, smoothies, and pan-fried foods will in general work best. 4. Feed yourself with fermentation. Matured foods are one of the most mind-blowing maintained mysteries with regards to boosting human well-being. To utilize matured food as medicine, focus on 2 TBSP every day of aged foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, or 4 to 8 ounces of kombucha. Fermented foods fill in as superior fuel for the great microbes in our gut, consequently assisting with reinforcing our safe framework. 5. Focus on correcting and preventing nutrient deficiencies. Think about addressing your primary care physician or dietitian regarding testing for micronutrient insufficiencies. In all honesty, many individuals experiencing constant medical problems that might have been totally forestalled if nutrient and mineral amass is adequate. Truth be told, various examinations have shown that over 75% individuals overall are lacking in at least one supplements at the base portion to forestall inadequacy sicknesses. These propensities will turn out to be natural and you will outfit the genuine force of food. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.